Good morning, students. Uh, a week ago, I found one very interesting question and would like to share with you. Uh, I thought of trying to solve this question with the linear equation, but then I found that it's easy to solve this question with number line. So let's read what the question is all about first. The question is about testing metals, and what it says, metals can be ranked on a scale of reactivity. Jiao uses a special meter that compares one metal to another. The meter measures the differences in reactivity between the two metals. Jiao compared several different metals. The results are shown in the table. For example, magnesium is 55 units more reactive than zinc, and aluminium is 31 units less reactive than zinc. So this is the example. You just need to look at how we are going to solve this question. We have a table of metals. So if the first metal and second metal are swapped, the difference is reversed as shown for magnesium and aluminium in the table. So here you can look at the diagram. The red wire is connected to magnesium, and the red wire is first metal, and second black wire is connected to zinc, and the black wire zinc is the second metal. So this display shows the difference uh, of reactivity of first metal and second metal. So the reactivity of magnesium minus reactivity of zinc, and this is positive. So if you just swap the metals, suppose zinc is the first metal and magnesium is the second metal, so the reactivity will be negative 55. So let's see the table. Now in this table, there are six metals: magnesium, aluminium, then copper third, gold fourth, lead fifth, and then zinc sixth. There are six metals, so for that we need a linear equation and six variables, and then it will be very difficult to solve that linear equations. And you can also do it by making a linear equation of two variables, and but it will be very difficult to solve with the help of linear equations, and it's very easy to solve with the help of number line. So that's why I thought of sharing this question to you after a very long time. So let's see. I have made a number line here, and let's start with the first row, which has magnesium, aluminium, and the difference. So the difference here is plus 86, that is positive. That means the reactivity of magnesium is more than reactivity of aluminium. So let's take the aluminium as a metal. So the reactivity of aluminium should be less than magnesium. So let's suppose the reactivity of aluminium is 0. So let's delete this, and let's suppose this is 0, and this is, let's suppose this is aluminium. So now this is 0 and this is aluminium. Now you just look at the table. The difference of reactivity of magnesium minus aluminium is plus 86. So we already supposed aluminium as 0. So then obviously magnesium will be plus 86. So the magnesium, let's suppose this is uh, let's suppose this position is 86 and this is magnesium. So now we have two metals, one is aluminium and here is magnesium. Now if you will subtract magnesium minus aluminium, it will give you plus 86. Now in the second row you see the first metal is aluminium and second metal is magnesium. So the metals are swapped here. So let's suppose now you are subtracting magnesium from aluminium. So first metal is aluminium. So aluminium is 0, magnesium is 86, so that will give you minus 86. So uh, whatever we suppose is not wrong, so we can move forward. Now here you see copper minus gold is plus 44. So because now we only have magnesium and aluminium, so we will go to lead. So here is lead minus magnesium is minus 111 minus 111. So we already know magnesium is 86 and lead minus magnesium should give 111. So lead minus magnesium, this is minus 86. So that can let you think that the number of the reactivity of lead will be uh, negative. So how much negative? This is 111. So how much number you need to add to magnesium that will give you 111. So let's suppose this number will be 86 plus 5, 91. So this is 5 and then 91 and 2, 20. So let's suppose this is minus 25 now, and uh, this is, suppose this is lead. So let's suppose this is lead. Now if you will subtract magnesium from lead minus magnesium, so minus 25, and magnesium is at 86, so minus 25 minus 86 will give you minus 111. So now we have already have lead here. Now we can move to here, lead minus copper. So lead minus copper is plus 27. So lead is negative 25 and lead minus copper should give you plus 27. So if you want to find out copper, you need to add, because just look at here. Let's take lead as L minus copper as C equals to 27. plus 27. So if you need to find out uh, copper, because we already have lead, so copper will be equals to lead minus 27. So lead is minus 25 and so equals to lead is minus 25 and minus 27. So that will be equals to 52 minus 52. So let's suppose you are writing it here. This will be minus 52. So I will go here and I will suppose that this is minus 52 and this will be copper. Now we already know about the position of copper, lead, uh, the reactivity of copper, lead, aluminum, and magnesium. We need to find out two more. Now we can go to here. Copper minus gold equals to 44. So copper minus gold is 44. So you can do the calculation like this. Now copper is C minus gold equals to, see the table, uh, plus 44, that is 44. Now we know about copper, we need to find out gold. So gold equals to uh, copper minus 44 and copper is minus 52 minus 44, so that is equals to minus 96. So here we can go up to here and this is, suppose this is minus 96 and this is gold. Now we already know about the position of gold, magnesium, aluminum, copper. Now we have to find out zinc. So let's see, aluminium, the reactivity of aluminium minus zinc equals to minus 31. So we have aluminium 0, so we don't need to do too much calculation for this. So aluminium minus zinc equals to minus 31. So when we do zinc minus aluminium equals to 31, so aluminium is 0, so zinc will be 31. So let's suppose this is 30, 31 and this is this is this is zinc. Now this is 31 and this is zinc. So now when you will subtract aluminium minus zinc, so aluminium 0 minus zinc 31, so that will give you minus 31. Now magnesium minus zinc, magnesium is 86 minus zinc 31, that will give you 55. So now all the differences are being used to display the position of the reactivity of these metals here. Now we can go to the questions based on these table. Which of the following metal has, question number 14, which of the following metal has the lowest reactivity? Now you see we have the reactivity up to minus negative 96, that is of gold. So we will look at gold here. So this is gold. So we can highlight this. So this is the answer, gold. You can see gold has the more the negative number is, the less is the reactivity. So when you look at this, which of the following has lowest reactivity? Gold has minus 96, so that is the lowest reactivity. Now when we go to question number 15, which of the following metal has the reactivity between the reactivity of aluminium and copper? So see, this is aluminium 0 and copper 52. What is between aluminium and copper? That is lead. So this is our answer. Now question number 16, what would the meter read if the first metal is gold and second metal is magnesium? So first metal is gold and second metal is magnesium. So we need to see check if this is already in table. So gold and magnesium, let's see, gold and magnesium, we don't have that, gold and magnesium. So we need to do the calculation. So what would be the meter read if the first metal is gold and second metal is magnesium? That means we need to find out the first metal is gold and second metal is magnesium. That means gold minus magnesium equals, they, they are asking this question to us. So what is the reactivity of gold? That is minus 96. And what is the reactivity of magnesium? Is 86. So minus 86. Now this will give minus negative 182. So let's see if we have this option in here. So negative 182 when the first metal is gold and second metal is magnesium. So this will be minus 182 will be our answer. So this is what I was desperately uh, wanting to tell you about this, the problem solving with the help of number line. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will come up with another very interesting math video in future.